last time on Island ADV.
So, the ride season is pretty much wrapped, and so, why don't we have one more moto fishing adventure for us? Oh, there's a bite. Yeah. I'm hitting all the right currents with the right flies here, but they just do not want to cooperate today, that's for sure. You know, par for the course. Take care, bud. All right. So, man, I really want to check out Mooney's Pond. It's right here. How the best do I get there, by the way? I could run peaks all the way. If I come back this way here, I can get peaks on Route 320 again, and then take a left on Martinville. I think that's going to be the plan. Let's try that. Woo! The TKC-80s are starting to give up the ghost a little bit. Some squarely coming off of that. Just that little bit of dust. I can't believe those tires are wearing down so fast. I don't know off the top of my head how many kilometers I got on them now, but it seems like they're just melted. Well, I'll tell you this though. I've got a set of Shinkos lined up. That's for sure. We're going back to the Shinkos. I think I have to. Like, they just last, man. But I'll tell you, when this TKC-80 rear was good, man, it was great. It was absolutely great. All right, so let's do this. Let's head to Morel and pick up some supplies, and then see about working our way to Fortune River. So that there is the Morel River. And I just got a fairly decent idea for a campsite. What if we go back to Five Houses? Remember on our very first fly fishing trip that we did? We went up there to Five Houses and found a really cool spot down an old cart path. Who knows if it's gonna pan out, but I might be able to bushwhack my way through there. And it might pan out. It would be a good little spot for tonight, I think. Beautiful blue water on that. Ah, St. Peter's Bay, you're so lovely. It's good to see that despite all the damage that was done on from the hurricane, that some of the quintessential parts of Prince Edward Island still, they persist, right? Not gonna lie, it's been a bit of a heartbreaker today. Hopefully things will turn around though. Maybe we'll get up to Five Houses and things will be just great. Look at all those geese. Do you see all the Canada geese in there? All of those birds are Canada geese. A few seagulls in there, here and there, but for the most part, Canada geese. All right, let's keep pushing to Five Houses Road and we'll see how we can make up from there. Into the red dirt. So there's lots of trees down, but there's not as many. Like, look at the woods, see how dense it is? That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. It's much more dense than what we're seeing, so maybe the tree fall isn't as bad. Hopefully. This is an old road though, it's not traveled very much at all, so could very well run into some things that are going to block the road entirely for us. Look, there's a tree down already. People have been in here clearing things out. Can't go ripping around the corners though too much. Never know what you're gonna find. So yeah, a long time ago when we did our first fly fishing series, we stayed up in this area overnight. Very wild, but look at all the trees. It's not too bad in here. Like those big evergreens should be down. You can see there's some leaners and there's definitely widowmakers in there, but we can kind of assess that when we get into camp and see how we make out. But this is looking like a good option, and maybe if this doesn't pan out, we can head to Fortune River. Some folks out on the wheeler having a good time. All right, should be just up this way. That's it there. It looks pretty clear. Let's have a peek here. A little bit of the bushwhack. I got some trees down already. Little ones though. Might be able to cut that one open. It's a long old guy, but if we cut that right there, we should be alright. Just gonna take a walk here a bit. So we have a big clear cut here, and then it goes deeper in. But I see a down tree up there too. Oh, we might be able to get under it. Alright, I say we push. Ooh, she's slimy in here. Alright, we'll probably have to do that a couple more times before we find something. Another big one. More big ones down there. Let's just have a look. Yeah, look at that big guy. I could probably poke a hole in this one though. I just can't see what's on the other side of it. I feel like this is like portage in a canoe at this point. You know, where you get out and you pull the thing a little bit, you take it over land, do a single or a double carry. Look at this meat. Oh yeah, there's another one right afterward. And another one. And another one. Yeah, that's the spot. I don't know though, man. I mean, I guess that's the spot, eh? Like, oh, it wasn't too bad. I knew most of this trip was going to be me trying to figure out camp. I'm going to see if I can dig a hole through that. Hang tight, Island Riders. we'll keep you posted. This is anything in here now is good campsite material, though. I think we're gonna be all right for the night. We'll have lots of time in camp, though. Good thing I forgot my can opener. Alright, let's make our way through it here now. It's the tight one. There we go. Made her. Awesome. Alright. This looks like it's going to be home for the night. For sure, for sure. So overall, a really good day, I think. I mean, we didn't catch any fish, which is a bummer, but we'll see about tomorrow. You know, we've got options for tomorrow. We can stay close and we can go to Mooney's Pond that we passed up today, give the morel another shot, or we could ride hard out west up to Kincora and we can try Dunk River again, because Dunk River's been looking pretty good. Plus it's also on the map there. There's time to do that in this extended season, so we can go up that way. So I think that's a good plan. Maybe I might do that. We'll get there for high tide though, but that's all right. I think we'll be fine. But yeah, overall great day. It was nice to meet that conservation officer. First time in my entire life have I ever been out fishing and seen a conservation officer, and it's good to know that I had all my stuff together. Good day on the river, good day on the road, good day in the red dirt, I think. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish up my supper here, and I think I'm just going to relax, take in the cool breeze. We'll definitely get visited by some critters tonight. I think that'll be all right. I do love Irish stew. Anyway, if I don't see you before tomorrow morning, well, have a good night. We'll see you in the morning.